Nasaan yung support? Where is the next support? Yan nga po lagi ang tanong. Remember this area, last week sinisilip natin 'to. This is the SR flip area and I was telling you na the many times na hina-hammer yan, there's a likelihood na bumigay. And eventually yesterday bumigay siya on a Sunday. Ang ano ko lang pagka Sunday bumibigay, manipis yung volume kaya hindi siya masyadong convincing. Monday, ito tayo magkakaalaman, especially mamaya sa US market kung itutulo nila 'to. Pero right now nakikita natin nagra-rally pa rin ano. We can still rally back pabalik dito sa taas, okay? Pero may damage na po 'yan ha. You have to understand na may na-damage na diyan kasi we formed a lower low. So baka gagawa ito ng channel, pwedeng ganito yung gawin niya at diyan siya mag-dribble-dribble. Before pa naman bombahin 'yan ng US, bago pa nag-airstrike 'yan, the chart is already telling us that there is a possibility na bumigay kasi it was hammered. This support was hammered so many times and then finally it was broken. We are forming a lower low and lower high. This is a parallel channel that it is potentially a flag pa rin, a potentially a cup and handle pa rin. Ay, meron pa pag-asa dito. In case, pagka dinrowing mo to, expect mo kung hindi tayo babalik dito, magiging resistance to. This is your SR flip area. This will become your resistance as well. So watch out yung price action dito, yung reaction ng price pag tumama po dyan. Kung today, bullish ang US, babalik tayo dyan. If we close above this today, negated yung candle niya. Similar to this, long red tapos yung green, tas long green yung kasunod. Walang confirmation. So if we close to this, there's a likelihood that we're going to touch tong trend line na to. This is around 107,000. So ito sa likelihood na tatamaan mo yan. Hanggat hindi mo bibinibiyak yan, ano gagawin sa'yo ng price? Magsuswing ka. We'll see kung maghahammer, i-hammer niya at tatagusin, or most likely we'll see a bounce here, pabalik ulit hanggang sa biyakin natin to.